Hello everyone, welcome to Planning with Ida. For today's video, I would like to unbox my November Planner Perfect package, which I just received. And I also wanted to open my Coco Daisy package for November, which I have received it actually for a while now. I've never received my October Coco Daisy package. It still shows in the transaction. I opened a ticket with them, and they said they don't have any control over the shipping. Unfortunately, I think it's going to be very late by the time it comes here. But without any further ado, let's open up our planner. Perfect. I did loosen up a little bit, so the process would go a little bit faster. It's here, but I normally do not keep this card. Let's start with stickers. We get 4 pages of stickers. 2 of them are exactly identical and 2 of them are different. All right, let's go over that. I love the little turkey over here for Thanksgiving. It's perfect. I also like the gal. It's dressing up so cutely, so nicely. I'm not so sure about this one. Probably not my very favorite, but I am a coffee person, so I like everything else in this page. Really love the hand holding the coffee with the sweaters. That's very cute. And I like the monitor and the hand. All right, 2 pages of this. And this one is a lot of books, guys. How cute is that? A gal sitting down, reading the books, and the back of this with the bow. Beautiful, beautiful design. I love the pies. Look like apple pie. Really like that. And I always admire the books. So the books and coffee are my cup of tea. And really well done, Jenny. I'm excited about it. All right, let's open up washes. I did open it up, guys, before, so I can actually show them to you a little bit easier. So this is kind of checkers. It's a beautiful plaits. It's a beautiful design. I like using those in combination with the other washes. So that's one. This one is trees, very similar to the one we received with the leaves, same colors. And I think it's going to be a beautiful combination using the tree and the leaves together. And the last but not least are a group of friends. Look how pretty they are. I think it's about 5 girls. They're walking together. Some of them have hats, some of them don't. That's very, very pretty. I can't wait to start using it. And let's move on to the cards. I'm going to open this one up. I lose them up, so I don't take too much of your time on this. All right. So yeah, the November calendar, the little calendar, we get 2 of each cards. So 2 of the turkeys. It says give thanks and eat pie. Pretty, kind of simple. And another one is give thanks. These are really very, very nice for Thanksgiving. And this is a kitchen with the pie. Very cute. Very last one is, of course, the pumpkins. Oh, and then the sweater weather. So this is just similar to the washes. How pretty. Well, Jenny, if you hear my voice, you did a pretty good job. And I'm very excited to start using them. Okay, I'm gonna move forward to the books. So as you know, I have subscribed to the full box, meaning I received two books. One of them is just a journal and one of them is a planner. So the November 2025 is a planner and this one is just a journal. Let's flip it. All right, so this one is the same both direction. This is empty pages. So basically it's like a little notebook that you can use for anything you want. Normally it's meant for journaling, but I use it for other reasons. If you haven't watched my previous YouTube, I highly recommend you to take a look. And this one is in November, which has the monthly, weekly, and plain pages. So you can design them anywhere you want. And the most important things, the goals. Making sure that I get 4 pages of goals because sometimes it's not the case. I do. All right, wonderful. This is my Planner Perfect boxing. Let's move on to Coco Daisy. I am kind of excited about this because last time I did not receive my Coco Daisy and unfortunately I was very disappointed. All right, love this sticker, a little mushroom on it. Really, really pretty. Thank you for having those. All right, this is the Coco Daisy Stationery Company. I use those for bookmark. They're such a great thing for bookmarks if you are a book reader. These are all very good bookmarks. This is their monthly theme. So they normally include one card for the monthly theme. All right. I'm going to put everything away. I was finally able to cancel the pouches, but this is the very last one I received. So this is a little pouch that I normally keep everything in it. They're cute and nice, but now I have so many of them. So I figured that I'm going to just go ahead and cancel it. All right, let's take a look at what everything is inside it. All right, I love the little clips. It says Coco Daisy on it. It's a little metal clips. It's plain in the back, but it has a book and flowers. Very nice. There actually is like a checkbox on them. All right, and look at this washi. How pretty, guys. I always love Coco Daisy's washi. All the mushrooms and all different mushrooms in it. I think it is very, very pretty. Look at this. I can't wait to start using it. All right, we always get a pen. This time is a brownish pen on top, and I bet something a little bit thicker on the other side. Very nice. This is tone. You always get a pen. And then there is this Keeping Touch is a sticky book. Normally, it sticks on your pages. I have a collection of those and I love them. All right, let's move on. I'm grateful. And this is a pen test and stamp tests. So this one I normally keep on the pocket. 2 pockets comes with it. Normally I use one of them and the other one is too big for my Planner Perfect planner and journaling. So this one would fit perfectly and this one is a little too big. However, I have other notebooks and everything that I keep those to use. And look how pretty is this. Very cute. One of my favorite things in the Coco package. All right. And then there's this thing with I love these colors with greens. So a bunch of mushrooms on the stickers. Let me open up the sticker sheet so you can see. These are stickers. And yeah, the letters I don't use that much, but I do sometimes use the calendars, numbers. They make your page so pretty. And I certainly use those. I use the car icon when I get the gas and the $sign when I get paid and the little icon when I work hard. So those are really very helpful. And this is the page I'm using a lot of those in my monthly pages. So they have like a cleaning equipment. Those I use for the cleaning day, take out and pay days and the little shoes for the days that I walk. Of course, the laundry day, which I do use, and then the garbage day. And again, the numbers and the letters. I have a lot of collection of all the letters. I use those the least. Normally, I just don't have time to put those in. I use handwriting and move on. All right. There's one page of stickers that they're very thin and I love those for my Hobonichi because she's very thin and normally if you put the sticker on it, it makes it very thick, but these are perfect for your, although it has a shine in it. So when you put it on your book and you want to record it or something, you see the shine. All right. And a number of those papers. I normally do not use these papers and I don't know what to do with them, but I know many of you guys do a wonderful work with them. It comes with a package. So I wish I had an option to not include it because I feel it's a waste and I feel really guilty not using them. But they're very, very pretty. Normally they come up with beautiful designs. And if you do your own dashboard different than the one that Jenny does on your dashboard page, these are definitely the good options. Let's move on to stickers. These stickers are a lot more tough and a lot more thick than the other stickers that I've showed you. So it seems like a number of the mushrooms and they have like so many clip tabs. These tabs, guys, are my very favorite. And the number one reason that I purchased Coco Daisy is I really love to have tabs in it. Since I didn't have my Coco Daisy this month, I didn't have a tab, and I'm missing it a lot. All right, so another beautiful mushrooms. Nature, guys, everything is very, very cute. This is why I really like going with Coco Daisy. Another mushrooms, and this is like a flowers, mushrooms, and leaves. With that, I think I have review everything with you. It comes, Coco Daisy comes with those storage boxes. I really like them. I store my monthly in it, and I store the leftover. I mark them so I know for which month and which year they are, and then I save them. Well, thank you so much for watching my YouTube. Until another week, have a wonderful, wonderful day.